right through until the present day. This is Bono and I at the Global Leadership Awards at the United Nations in New York in 2003. He gave that award to Alex Ticatino. He was head of TASO, which is the oversight agency for HIV. And at the time, I was working a lot on HIV patients. I'll go into in a moment why. And I had written some papers, and the world was coming to Dublin to get treated for HIV at the time because the hospital said no, that's the aesthetic end of it, HIV Lipodystrophy. And at the time we didn't know whether people had these skeletal faces because of the drugs, the peroxide radicals, the antiretroviral drugs, or whether just people were living that long that it was happening like this. A lot of people believed it was just a third stage of AIDS. I didn't. I believed it was the drugs that were causing the problem. And there were many reasons for that. They ended up with big buffalo humps on their back. Their faces were so skeletal, it became suicidal. And this is a patient I treated in the United States. This is the first patient treated in the United States with polyalkylimide. He was a 71-year-old Jewish patient, and he hadn't been outside his apartment for 4 years. In those years in college, I had won many medals, and including the Norman Ray gold medal in biochemistry. At that stage also, I was supposed to go to South Africa to work with Christian Barnard, and that wasn't obviously going to happen. And that's a letter from Christian at that time. I got to know Christian before he died, and he came down to Greece, where I had a friend, a girlfriend from South Africa, and he was friendly with her father, and he got arthritis, so he couldn't work anyway.